Hello beautiful people, and today I'm going to show you some cinematic field footage. Yeah, that's what this video is all about. And I've been working kinda hard for color correction and color grading part, because I wanted to make this footage look as best as it can. So yeah, if you have something to say like about color correction and color grading in the comments, you can say, and if I'm like messed up somewhere, like, I would greatly appreciate that your judgment, because judgment is good. It allows you to grow. Correct judgment, not all judgment, because some people are just stupid and some are just smart. That's how things are. Yeah, and I basically filmed just fields, like actually nothing more, like just plain fields. But yeah, there is some trees and yeah, you can say fields and trees, but mainly fields. So yeah, I used ND32 filter on my GoPro 10, which was, I mean, it was a good choice because it was hella sunny day, like hella sunny day, and hot too, just like exhausting actually. But the drawback of ND32 filter is like in the shadows you can't see any details. It's just dark shadows, like dark shadows, which was alright because I don't film in the shadows. I just filmed like in mid-sun. So I mean, 32 ND filter is best choice in my opinion in that type of scenario. So yeah, this field's actually gonna be harvested soon, but no, it's not, and I'm flying above already harvested field, which is just harvested, and it's ready to plant seeds again. And this black dirt looking cool. Just fly away from that. Yeah, just chilling and cruising through the fields. Some grass, like random stripe of grass. And now I'm gonna do some flippy floppy stuff, because I've been bored of my calm flight, and I just want to make some fun, and I just did some flippy floppy stuff, because who don't like fun? Yeah, and that's where the video will end. So thank you guys for watching, and see you soon.